What if I say that you can drink your skincare? Yes, you heard it right. Drinking your skincare. That is the new way of taking care of your skin, and in this video, I'm going to show exactly that. So, if you want to know, please continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe for skincare, that is a juice which is made of these wonderful ingredients, which is very recommended skincare drink which would be changing your skin for the good. So in this wedding season, if you want to change your skin from inside, then this is the juice which you need to drink. So if you want to know, please continue watching. This skincare juice which you are about to make is a powerhouse of nutrients. It has all the important ingredients, minerals and vitamins which can boost your overall health, especially your skin. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene which promotes healthy skin and vision. It gives you a natural glow. Beetroot, which is rich in iron and antioxidants, can help improve blood circulation. It can boost stamina. It can give you the plump look on your skin. And amla, which is known as Indian gooseberry, which is one of the richest source of vitamin C. It strengthens immunity, it helps in digestion and promotes hair and skin health. Drinking this juice regularly can boost your energy. It can enhance your skin health and support overall well-being. It's a natural health booster right from your kitchen. It is very important that you include all these ingredients for your overall health. As an added benefit to give you energy, I am taking de-seeded dates 1, few raisins and 4 almonds. Almonds are monosaturated fatty acids with vitamin E which can help you to have good cholesterol levels. Raisins are high in dietary fiber which can help with digestion. It can prevent constipation and help keep your gut health in good condition. Dates are also has natural sugars. It can boost your energy. It has also got fibers and which can help you in your digestion. It can keep your gut health in good condition. In this juice, I'll also include spinach or palak. I will be taking 4 to 5 of small leaves. If you're using bigger leaves, then 2 or 3 is enough. This will add the protein content. It also has many other benefits. It has vitamin A, C and K which makes your skin radiant. It helps to heal the scars. It has antioxidant properties. It will fight all the inflammation and breakouts of your skin. It will practically cleanse your body from within. Therefore, your skin looks glowy, it looks fresh and it looks very radiant. To balance out the flavors of all the ingredients I have taken, I will be adding little bit of salt and few peppercorns. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 6 to 7 peppercorns for 250 ml of the juice. This would be enough. If you don't add more, it will become too spicy. So the method is, you need to wash all the ingredients, all the vegetables, whatever you have taken. You can include fruit also like apple or pomegranate or anar. You have to wash all this. Cut it into small pieces or grate it into small pieces. Put it in a mixer jar or a blender or a juicer, whichever you're comfortable, whatever you have. Grind it into smooth paste by adding little bit of water, at least half a cup of water. This is my method of doing it. I'll be adding only half a cup of water because I need thick juice. I will grind it into smooth paste. This dates and raisins will give the sweetness. If you want little bit of extra sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. De-seed the date before you grind it. Be careful with that. So once you grind it into smooth paste by adding little bit of water, this is how it looks. It is a very thick juice. This is how I consume usually. I like to drink it because it adds fiber to the gut and it will cleanse your system. It will keep you full. It will help you to avoid hunger. You don't have to eat so much of other things. Whenever you feel hungry, you eat something, so it will avoid that. This is enough for your typical breakfast also. It's very good, it's very filling, it's very healthy. It has no sugar, no oil, nothing. It has full of fiber and full of nutrients. Very good for your health, very good for your gut, very good for your skin. Start drinking this from tomorrow or today. It will heal your skin within a week. You can make out the difference within a week. Continue drinking within a month. You'll be surprised that you don't have to use any skincare once you drink this juice. It's very It'll take time for you to adjust. If you're too averse drinking thick, then add a little bit of extra water, little bit of honey, dilute it, and drink 250 ml of this juice in an entire day. So your skin looks very radiant, very glowy, very smooth, and you will be surprised with the results. So drink this, try this, and give it to your family also. It's very good. So try this juice and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.